Here is an 808 beat for you and all those producers out there who are programming drums right now. So what we got Guan in here is a 16th note groove. So you're going to have 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a on the hi-hat. There is a gap in there and I'm going to explain that in just a moment. You're going to play these hi-hats on the top of the hi-hat with the tip of the stick, making sure all the notes are nice and even. Snare drum, 2 and 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Again, make sure the dynamics, the volume is nice and equal for all of these as well. Now, the bass drum pattern, the key to kind of all of this. Remember, all these bass drums are going to fall with one of these hi-hats, so it's nothing too complicated, fingers crossed. 1 E and a 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and a. Now, as you probably heard at the beginning, something strange happens after beat 4. Then we stop. Strange. Why have I done that? It's because a lot of the times they don't actually stop hi-hats in these kind of grooves. But for me, as a drummer, musically listening, I want to add some space into this. Letting things breathe a little bit is never a bad idea, and it's a good thing to start to introduce into your grooves if you never have before. Also creates a nice contrast between the next bit, which is a little twiddly diddly, right, left, right on the hi-hat. I'm pretty sure these 3 hi-hats are 30-second notes, so I don't know specifically how you want to count those, but just get used to how it sounds. So 4, da da da, 4, together, right, left, right, 1, 2, and 3 E and 4, right, left, right, 1, 2, and 3 E and stop, right, left, right. Also, if you want to change it up and sometimes do going all the way through with the hi-hat or sometimes stopping, do what you like. I'm not your mum. You have creative freedom. It's all yours. You're welcome. If you like videos like this or you want to see more, if there's something specific you want to see, then let me know in the comments. That's all. Have a good day. Mwah.